No, I feel like we should do this outside. Oh, let's do this outside.
Fucking God.
Did it tear apart my house?
Yep.
I feel like I'm lifting him off the ground.
Yeah, well, don't fall and trip over my sprinkler and break it. And don't break his
Crutches.
crutches. His parents will shoot you.
Okay. Oh. I fucked up.
That's what your dad said when you were born.
Ah!
Get off the hill. He's gonna fall on his ass.
I heard that.
Alec, Javen, no break in your neck. Alec,
What's the fun in that?
put this in the recycle, please.
Nani, quit following me.
She loves you.
Move!
Maybe she's telling you not to do this because it's stupid.
Can't. Do you get the sign?
No, I don't.
Damn it.
Yeah, somebody else's yard, so I don't have to watch you get hurt.
He's gonna do
No,
it.
not within my view. Where I don't have to see it.
She's telling you,
Don't
go in
do that.
Drayden's yard.
Don't ever do that on the road.
I won't.
She's
On
saying,
the grass. If you fall, you're gonna break your neck. That makes me nervous.
I won't fall.
Go do it where I can't watch it.
What should I do now?
a double backflip.
Oh, the hurt your calves.
Do a handspring or a front flip.
Are you guys still recording?
No, I'm looking at the wiki.
Looking at the what?
The wiki, the thing I found the Power Fist loan.
I knew that was gonna happen eventually. I'll walk it off. I'll walk it off.